Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, I'm doing an androgynous makeup with the famous Dubai-based fashion stylist Nathan Rebel. Starting off with prepping up the skin with basic moisturizer and primer. This is now the last look. I hope you guys like it. Well, at the end of the video, you will see that I changed the lipstick into a nude color, as the red, I think, is not that much suitable. So, leave your comments and suggestions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.